Grayson said when we pulled up, he said, Daddy, somebody's got on monkey around shirt. What?
Whoa, people. This is the funnest day ever. We're kayaking and it's fun. Look. Hey. I'm videotaping.
And some feet in, guys. Hang on. We're going down. 3, 2, 1. The Fisher River, located in Surry County, North Carolina. This trip started with a phone call from a friend of ours, who my wife and I met when our first daughter was born. We had nicknamed her Monkey, and hence the name of my channel. Karen called me and said, I want to go kayaking. Would you take me on the Fisher River? She lives near the river and her son play in it all the time, but now she wanted to paddle it. And of course I said yes. After getting off the phone with Karen, I contacted a couple other friends, Jeff and Dawn. Dawn has been wanting to paddle for a while, and this was going to be a perfect opportunity to let her get her paddles wet. With a couple of more phone calls to some friends, Bobby Darren rounded up a group, and this morning we met with about 15 folks ready to test their skills on the Fisher River. With down trees and new folks, I found out really quick that I was going to have my hands full today.
This is a pretty huge rabbit, Dad. What? That's massive. Wow.
Paddle hard, get on that side. There you go. Today we put in at Fisher River Park. just downriver from there. Off Clearwater Lane, 11 miles down to Hamlin Ford Road. Most of the river was some little small class 1 rapids and bubbly water connected by little stretches of flat water. So it's easy for a beginner or someone with little experience to go paddle. Most of the time, if something was to happen and you were to flip out, you can stand up because most of the water's around knee deep.